Recording now.
Right?
Oh, man. Come on, man. Okay.
Don't be scared, man. Are you gonna sweat or just do it?
It's good. So rotate with no problem. Right?
Yes! Yep, you already know that. Just do it.
Make sure you yell. Or
Huh!
try to.
Oh!
Right there. Okay. The last thing you want to do is pull back at the last minute.
Yeah,
You don't want to
go straight through. Pretend like you want to hit me.
You're hitting
Yeah.
Jason's chest.
You right?
Because he's mad. Because he's trying to break the board over your head.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Remember how you felt like?
This is your
I started recording 46 seconds ago.
Just go.
Oh, yeah, just go, Raul.
Just do it.
See ya, man.
Don't hurt yourself. Alright, go.
Alright.
Longest recording ever, so I just started
When
over.
you're ready, tell him that so you can hold it tighter.
Alright. You ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh!
What? No, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
You want me, when you're ready, I'll come back.
I'm gonna do it.
Alright.
Oh,
It wasn't that bad, was it?
Oh.
Okay.